Today, we are going to go through a simple and effective full body exercise routine that you can do at home or in the gym to improve strength, fitness, and overall health. This routine is designed for beginners as well as intermediate level and will help you stay active and build a strong foundation. Warm up. Start with a 5-minute warm up to prepare your body for exercise. Do light jogging in place, arm circles, jumping jacks, and bodyweight movements. Warm up increases blood flow, prevents injury, and improves performance during workout. Squats. Begin with squats to strengthen your legs, glutes, and core. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body as if sitting on a chair, and then push back up. Keep your back straight and perform 12 to 15 repetitions for 3 sets with controlled movement. Push-ups. Move to push-ups to build upper body strength, including chest, shoulders, and arms. Keep your body in a straight line, lower yourself slowly, and push back up. If you are a beginner, you can perform knee push-ups. Do 10 to 12 repetitions for 3 sets. Lunges. Lunges help improve balance and strengthen each leg individually. Step forward with one leg. Lower your hips until both knees are bent at 90 degrees. Then return to standing. Alternate legs and perform 10 repetitions per leg for 3 sets. Plank. Plank is excellent for core strength and stability. Keep your body straight like a line. Support yourself on elbows and toes and hold the position. Start with 20 to 40 seconds and gradually increase time as you get stronger. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a cardio and strength exercise that boosts fat burning and endurance. Bring your knees alternately toward your chest in a running motion while staying in plank position. Perform for 30 to 45 seconds for 3 rounds. Cool down. Finish your workout with stretching exercises. Focus on your legs, arms, and back. Hold each stretch for 15 to 20 seconds to reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Conclusion. Consistency is the key to fitness. Perform this routine 3 to 5 times a week, maintain proper form, and combine it with a healthy diet and proper rest to see the best results in strength, stamina, and overall body transformation.